For hundreds of thousands of years, Earth has quietly protected life with an invisible shield, the planet's magnetic field. We cannot see it or touch it. Yet this field deflects cosmic radiation, preserves the atmosphere, and allows life to remain stable on the surface. Now imagine an extreme scenario. Not over thousands of years, not over centuries, but in just 1 week. What would happen if Earth's magnetic poles fully reversed within 7 days? However, first, one clarification is crucial. A magnetic pole reversal does not mean Earth physically flips its rotation. It means the north and south magnetic poles exchange places. This has happened many times in Earth's geological history, but normally, the process unfolds over thousands to tens of thousands of years, giving life time to adapt. A reversal compressed into 1 week, however, something modern science considers almost impossible, would push the planet into global disruption rather than gradual change. 1. On the first day, sensitive instruments would detect the shift immediately. Satellites would begin reporting errors. Global positioning systems would show increasing inaccuracies. Compasses in many regions would spin unpredictably. Humans might not feel alarmed yet, but for migratory animals, birds, whales, sea turtles, their internal navigation would already begin to fail. However, by the second and third days, the issue would move beyond navigation. As the magnetic field rapidly weakens, Earth's protective shield thins. High-energy particles from the sun and deep space penetrate further into the atmosphere. Auroras appear in places where they have never been seen before near the tropics, even close to the equator. Beautiful to watch, but dangerous in consequence. Ionizing radiation increases, disrupting electronics, damaging satellites, and affecting biological cells. By midweek, global power systems would face serious strain. Electrically induced currents could overload high-voltage transmission lines. Widespread outages would no longer be theoretical. Internet infrastructure, communication networks, and financial systems that depend on satellites would become fragile not because of conflict, but because the planet itself is reorganizing its defenses. For living organisms, the impact would be quieter but deeper. Studies suggest that when the magnetic field weakens, background radiation at Earth's surface can rise significantly. Not an instant apocalypse, but increased risks of cellular mutation, biological stress, and long-term health effects, especially for sensitive species and humans at high altitudes. By the 6th or 7th day, if the reversal completed, a new magnetic configuration would slowly stabilize, but it would not be the same as before. Compasses would point north in a new sense. Air and sea navigation routes would require full recalibration. Global magnetic maps would need to be redrawn from scratch. The world would not collapse, but it would no longer operate on familiar assumptions. The most unsettling part of this scenario is not immediate destruction, but a deeper question. How dependent are we on the quiet stability of nature, while forgetting that this stability was never guaranteed? Earth has never promised to behave in ways convenient to human civilization. We occupy only a brief moment in a planetary history spanning billions of years. 1. Modern science tells us this clearly. A magnetic pole reversal in 1 week is extraordinarily unlikely. But the fact that Earth's magnetic field is slowly weakening over long timescales is real and well documented. Questions like, what if this happened, are not meant to create fear. They remind us that life exists because of a delicate balance among invisible forces. And when one of those forces changes slowly or suddenly, the world will never remain quite the same. Follow the channel for the next story.